unbox with me, guys. This is this body spray. because I am so tired, I'm so exhausted. Wonder these people that have businesses in trade fair, coming from far place, how do you people do it? Where do you people get your strength? Anyway, I'm so tired, but because I want to start using my products immediately, I can't just wait. Let's say I'm in a haste to start using the product because my face is looking bad, as you can see, guys. If you look at here, you see here is black here, and by the side of my nose is also black. So I have hyperpigmentations, and it's really trying to take my confidence away. So that's the reason why I said let me start using these products as soon as possible. So unbox with me, guys. Unbox with me my new skincare products that I got from trade fair and my perfume products. This perfume, I got it from my friend. My girlfriend, she opened a new perfume shop in trade fair. So I went to visit her shop. I said I cannot go to trade fair because she sent me a voice note on WhatsApp and was like, Cynthia, since I opened my shop that you haven't visited my shop. And even me too. I've been trying for so long to go and visit her shop, but I don't always have the chance because I have kids to take care of. So, but today I said it's a must. Definitely, I'm going to go to her shop and see, because the pictures I'm seeing, guys, let's leave that up. So, in my bag, I have hair bonnets. So I got this face pack, suit and glow. Face pack ceramide skin barrier complex blemish clarifying foaming cleanser. This cleanser I've been using it for 1 year now, and it's so good. So I got the ZAR face cream. This is my first time trying to use this product. I wanted to get COSRX, but my budget, the things I bought in the market have already exceeded my budget. So I decided to buy this ZAR. It was the seller that recommended I buy this ZAR since I don't have enough money and I needed a face cream. So I got a sunscreen, and then I got tretinoin. I got this Zaron lip hydrating therapy. And I got azelaic acid gel. This is a hand cream. It's just a hand cream. And then for my, I think this is from here. My friend's brand, I got, immediately I entered her shop. She got this. I was going for one Latafa body spray, and she said, Cynthia, let me show you a body spray. And she sprayed it on my skin like this. God, this body spray. Gosh, I was like, wow. I've always known that 9 p.m. is very good, but do you know, I came back home and with all the state, because after I left her shop, I also went to buy my skincare. I came back home and my skin is just, the particular place that she sprayed this body spray is just, it's still smelling very nice. This is nice, guys. I recommend 9 p.m. If you want to form big boy, big madam, you know, big madam vibe, big boy, go and buy 9 p.m. guys. Buy 9 p.m. She showed me another one, Supremacy, but I went for this one. I think I prefer this one, the scent of this one. And this one lasts. It's nice, guys. When I see something that is nice, I know. So I bought this small perfume. It's nice too. Smells like, did I say strawberry? But chai is nice. Chai is nice. Then I got this Storm body spray for my kids. Nice. When I went to this my try shop, guys, oh god, I love things I saw there. This one is just air freshener for my home. Air freshener. Just air freshener. She also sells car perfume, car air freshener, home air freshener, diffuser, and what's it called again? All kinds of, even designer's perfume, any kind of designer perfume that you want, she also sells them. So this is everything I got. The reason why I want to unbox this thing now is I want to start using my products. I wanted to wait till tomorrow to unbox them, but because my face is already looking bad, my face is not so clear, so I have to, you know, start using them immediately to see it, so that results will start, you know, I'll start seeing results. So I couldn't wait, even though I'm so tired, I couldn't wait. So I'm going to be arranging them back. So thank you for watching. Bye for now. I love you guys always.